Okay, we're going to try this again. So today I'm going to be talking about some packages that I ordered in the Postal Service. So I ordered some stuff off of AliExpress, and for whatever reason, it showed that it was delivered on DHL and the Postal Service, and I never got the package. And then yesterday I went to the post office and talked to them, and the woman was like, "Oh no, she put it in the mailbox, and see, look, this is the geo-tracking, the geolocation, and she put it in the mailbox. I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. You just have to wait, blah, 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 yakety schmackety, blah, 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 blah." So then today, I get this notification that I have 3 packages that have shown up. And this is what I've got thus far. I'm not even sure what this is. But I even got a message saying that something about my package was I got a text message, and I asked her about that, and she was like, "No, that's not us, blah, blah, blah." I was like, okay. And I said, "So my package is just gone?" And she said, "Yes." And I said, "Well, that sucks." I said, "Well, now I'm really concerned, because if somebody feels comfortable enough to come to my house and take my stuff out of my mailbox, like, what am I supposed to do? This is the post office." And she's like, "Well, what I would recommend, blah, 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 blah." So I was like, well, that doesn't make any sense. So then today I get, because I have informed delivery. So then today I get a notification that I have 3, like something from Spectrum. And then I have 3 packages that was coming today. I have 2. They both say JFK, Jamaica, New York. What I ordered was some phone cases. So, funny story. I dropped my phone, my Samsung S22 Ultra. And I was like, oh, I can't pay another $300 and some odd dollars to get this screen fixed. So I ended up going to the Best Buy and buying this Motorola G Stylus, which is a really nice phone. Battery is amazing on this. But I just wanted my phone back, so now I have an extra just in case I accidentally drop it again. But I got 2 packages, so we're going to open them. Well, let's just say yesterday was not the best day, because I really felt a way about it. Okay, so this first one I got. Now, last year I went to Los Angeles, and we went to Fashion District, and I ended up getting some phone cases for a phone. I want to say it was the S21. I think so. I think they're over there. Anyway, and then I upgraded to the 22. So I bought these cases, and they was like, haggling them down. It was like, I think I got like 3 for like $40, but they're really nice. So I decided, well, let me go on to the AliExpress. So this is one of them. And you'll have to excuse my dog if you could see her, but it's, so it's supposed to kind of sit like this. So that's one of them. It's got a little plastic thing covering the face. Get down, Maisie. Okay, so that's one of them. So that's what came in this little package. we're going to pop this bad boy open. I was very upset because I felt a way about the Postal Service because like, I felt a way because I was like, well, if that's the case and this is what we're doing, like, I've ordered some other stuff. I've never had my packages come up missing, and then all of a sudden they come up missing, and I was really, like, a way about it. So this is, oh, this is cute. So this one is a, oh, and it's got little diamonds on there. That's cute. And it kind of fits to hold your hand. And it's got like a lip on the front. I will put the prices on there. I know I did not pay more than like $5 or $6 for each one of these. And I ordered like 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anyway, so there's one. And this is going to be the next one. I don't know why I got these. Like the one, I ended up getting one from Amazon because I was waiting for these to come in because it was supposed to be in 15-day delivery, which is not bad. I may put this one on there. So this one also has a little lip, but then on the back, it's got this little, like, cord thingy. And a little doggy. Bark! Isn't it adorable? So you put your hand through there, you put your phone through there, and then bow, you've got the case. So that is 3 of, I thought I got 5. So that's 3 of the 5. I'm not even going to say what I think really happened. I think what happened is that that chick was probably just going to take my package and didn't think I was going to go up there and act a donkey. But that's too hard for my stuff. Okay, this one, let me tell you, it's so freaking adorable. So this was, it's a Moschino dupe. Oh, sorry. So it's got the little case, right? And you clip. Let's just set it up, shall we? Me away. Over. Sorry, my brain is not working too well right now. All right, so you've got one side. Oh, isn't that cute? Well, okay. So apparently Moschino, I think it's Moschino, has one similar to this. Swap. Okay. And then it has a little pop socket. Stick your phone in. It's got a little lip. And then you can carry it like that. Isn't that cute? Oh my God. And I love the blue color. So it says fashion. What's your story? But isn't it cute? Doesn't it look like a little, what you call it? Isn't that adorbs? Okay. And then the last one. Which is weird that, I mean, like I don't think I bought all of these from the same vendor. And phones change so fast. I have to excuse my dogs here. Little nudge. Oh, this one. Well, this one's a little disappointing, but it looks like a little cassette tape. It's a little disappointing. Because in the picture, it looks a little bit more realistic. Hopefully you can't hear these little nut jobs running around. But so these are my new cases. I know one of them is probably going to go on my phone. Did I go with all black? Yes. Do I know why I went with all black? No. With the exception of this one, I do not know why I went with all black. I could have swore like I grabbed like a green one. But this one is so damn adorable. Like, I feel like my phone is going in this one. At least for tomorrow. It's going in this one. It's got to go in this one. So, yeah. That's what happened today. Well, this week. But I got my cases. And then I've ordered some other stuff from AliExpress. And I ordered one thing from DHgate. So, I am just waiting for them to come in. One of them I'm super excited about. But I'll share it with you when it comes in. Anyway, so I wanted to share my little haul with you guys. Thanks for swinging by.